To get started, you have to know and figure out where your students' levels are. I personally choose the computer games and then figure out what activities go with them, but it's easy enough. You could go the other direction. Find an activity that you like to do and then supplement it with the computer activities. One of the things that I will look at is what kind of skills are they working on in the classroom, and I try and supplement those activities that they're doing in the classroom with the things that we're doing after school. The way that we do it is we have one half an hour to 45-minute session at the beginning of the week where our fourth graders work with the kindergartners on the computer games. And then later on in the week we have our third graders working with the kindergartners again on the manipulatives, whether it be board games, whether it be card games, whether it be the activity sheets. Our sessions we usually take from 30 to 45 minutes. Some of that is going to be your setup time to get the older kids logged into the computers or set up and understanding the games. We also spend some time with the older kids at the end of the week preparing for the following week. So we make sure that they know what games are going to be played the following week on the computer, and they have a chance to play those so that they're ready to go. Materials needed are going to be very basic. A lot of the items that we use are materials we already had. Mentors work really well with the mentees. We have our staff who match the older kids with the younger kids, and that's both on the computer day as well as the manipulatives day. For us, we choose a different match each week. For other programs, it's going to work best for them to find kids that work together and continue those relationships as the program goes along. There really aren't that many. I mean, when you prepare and look at the materials and have everything ready to go, we really haven't had many issues at all. Suggestions or advice that I would have would be flexible. On any given week, I usually try and have a couple different computer games for the kids to play, and then a couple different manipulative and hands-on activities for the kids. And that has to do with the kids' choice. Some kids enjoy Curious George more than they enjoy Fetch with Rough Ruffman. So they'll choose the Curious George games. Kindergartners are encouraged to take the worksheets and materials home with them. It gives them a chance to talk with their parents and show their parents the things that we're doing after school, and then they can follow up and play those same games at home.